August is the time of the year when powdery mildew takes hold in the garden. We typically see it at home around the summer squashes, but the peonies are also impacted. It's just a white powder and it's kind of unsightly. And the way to try to keep that in check is to mix up a little dish detergent and ammonia and then just spray the plants. And this is the first year that we have grapes. We just put a grape arbor together. And what we're trying to do now is train it. If you grow grapes, or you have grapes growing, you're committing to a 3-year process. The first year, the plants are going to grow. The second year, they're going to grow some more with a little bit of pruning on your part, and they're going to develop what's called spurs. This is where the fruit sets, and it only sets on horizontal branches. And in the third year, you get the fruit. In order to make all of that happen, you need to build a trellis. And this is just one example of a trellis that you can make. There's plenty online, there's all kinds. This is set at 30, 60. A pergola, you can have one at 90. And the idea is to create some horizontal growth because this is where the fruit sets. All fruit, whether it's an apple tree or a pear tree, raspberries, they all fruit on something that is on the horizontal side of 45 degrees. So what we're doing here is trying to train these vines to be horizontal. So I'm going to walk around. I've tied it very loosely and leaving it alone and just letting it grow this year. And at the end of the year, I'll clean it up a little bit more. Next year, I'll prune it. But for right now, I'm spraying for powdery mildew.